Good morning. So this is day 6, so I'm just going to go over our schedule for today. Just one little change. I just realized that on every reading block, I forgot to change the lesson. However, the page numbers are correct. So this week, we'll be working on the Write-In Reader lesson 28. And that story is, it starts here. This is the vocabulary. So you'll have a little reading and vocabulary questions, and then it will go right into the story, which is in the museum. Then you'll do the same thing. You'll read and then answer the questions at the bottom. For each one, make sure you restate the question. So you'll be working on that throughout the day 6 through day 10. And then at the end, just like last lesson, you'll wrap it up with answering the look back and respond questions. Then moving into writing, we have the Tuesday activity, One Thing I'm Good At. So that looks like this, and make sure you can always check the bottom corner, One Thing I'm Good At. And whatever you chose, whether it was a hobby, cooking, something that you can build that you're really good at, whatever it is that you chose, now you're going to go into your details as to why. So one thing I'm good at is yoga. So let's just say that's the topic I picked. My one detail would be I'm good at yoga because I'm very flexible. And then my explanation would be during our back bend sequences, I am able to go into a full wheel without any assistance. So I would have my topic, which is yoga, my detail as why what makes me good at it, and then my explanation to give a little bit more detail. And then I would go into detail 2 and detail 3 to explain more reasons why I feel I'm good at yoga. Then moving on into our daily language. So this is week 2. So every day is going to have week 2 at the top. So we'll start on week 2, Monday. So if you go over here, you'll have your sentence corrections. So we have the corrections off to the side there. And then give 2 words that rhyme with the following word, which is ring. And then you're going to choose the word that's spelled correctly. The first one, it looks like it's near. And the second word you're looking for is seat. Okay. And then we have our math. Let me just grab that. If I can find it. Sorry about that. Oh, it's right over here. So for math, we have adding and subtracting fractions. So just a review for that again. Noticing that our denominators are unlike denominators, so we're going to have to find the least common denominator. And just a little refresher there. So the 4 and the 2, the multiple that they both share would be 4. And then we would change this side. How do we get 2 to become a 4? We do 2 times 2 is 4, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So then this would turn into 2/4. So 1/4 plus 2/4, and we would get 3/4. And then it's only 1 away from each other, so we know that it's in simplest form. Easy peasy. And then for social studies, we move into our maps, graphs, and globes. So in this area, we will be working on physical maps for a few pages. So you'll get used to how to read and locate different things on a physical map. And then as usual, at the end, you will take the practice test. Okay, and then science. So we ended this topic, topic 7. So you've been working on that, and you're going to fill in the assessment. Sorry, I only have the answer key. The assessment on all 4 pages here. That looks like that. And if you have any questions throughout, just please reach out. I know that we're moving through the lessons and the topics rather quickly, you know, not like we are at an actual school. So if it's moving a little too fast or if you get confused on a little something, just reach out and I will be happy to guide you. And that is about it for day 6. So I'm about to post day 7. So I'll see you soon.